Does an LLC need to file a BOI report? Yes, most LLCs are required to file a beneficial ownership information BOI report with FIN CEN starting in 2024 under the Corporate Transparency Act. This report discloses who owns and controls the company, helping prevent fraud, money laundering, and illegal shell companies. For example, if you own at least 25% of the LLC or have significant control over decisions, your information must be included in the report. Details such as your name, address, date of birth, and a copy of an ID like a driver's license or passport are typically required. There are penalties for failing to file, including fines, so it's important for new and existing LLCs to comply. While some entities are exempt, most small businesses must file within set deadlines. Zen Business can guide you through filing your BOI report so your LLC stays compliant with federal rules. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. The link is in the description too.